But there's just so much chismis going on in her. I got to get no video.
We don't have chismis, eh?
Jessica, I heard some chismis. I heard some chismis that you were drinking Red Horse last night.
No! The other night! The other night, Saturday.
Who was drinking the Red Horse?
Her.
This one here?
Yeah.
How much Red Horse did you drink? Only one?
Yeah.
Were you doing the jockey?
No, I don't do my ball.
You want this too? Yeah?
Horse G, stop using your hair as a napkin, boy.
Parang tutulog ka na. You're going to sleep now?
You ladies have been doing chismis non-stop for like 2 hours. And our viewers a synopsis on what you talked about for 2 hours?
No.
Huh?
The private, private thing.
See all this cackling, folks. All this chismis stress I'm under.
It's hot. It's hot. Yum yum. Matamis na siya.
Matamis na ba?
Pero si Marcos, gusto pa niya talaga yung matamis. May mga ano-ano pa sa...
Kaya ano-ano, di ba kinain niya yung may asasukan?
Ano eh?
Oh, baby. Alright, folks, here I am once again, riding in the back like DJT. Now it's raining. Usually I can't ride with these doors on here, but this gentleman's got this open spot right here. You know, got an opening so I can look out through there. I can get some fresh air, and I don't feel like I'm about to go to the bottom of Davy Jones' locker in the submarine. Of course, got some nice opening here, so I'm dealing with it. I went to go see my buddy Manny, and Manny is off today. Huh. I put that out on the video 9 times. Hey, he's off on Mondays, and here I am, not paying attention. I go try to see him on a Monday. That's the way it is, and you know what? I got to go with my other buddy down here because I don't got time to go tomorrow. So I just picked up some vegetables, 1.5, that's less than $30 US at that little produce stand. And I really like shopping there because it's like you got a personal shopper. You know what I mean? I'm just picking stuff out and my friend is right there holding a bag, telling me the prices. They got all the up-to-date prices on the board. Now obviously those prices fluctuate every day by every load, what have you. But I took a picture of it, boom, there's your current prices at that little place next to the Cheers bar here at Edgeley 6. And that's right there what $30 worth of fruits and vegetables look like. To send back to the ladies where they can do some cooking for the king. And they also have some foreign guy sauces in there. I picked me up some sauce, some salad dressing, and I think Fatima is making me a salad tonight. Alright folks, now I'm starting to take on more rain. So my driver just pulls over and he's going to deploy the windshield. Plastic and material, not so see-through one each, but there you go. And he'll look over the top of that. He's not trying to look through it. He'll just look right over the top of that guy. Little see-through window up there, and now he won't get wet. And I'm bone dry over here, but again with just enough freedom right here, so I don't feel like I'm in a coffin. But I tell you what, if this was enclosed, like a lot of them, there's no window here, it's enclosed. If that's enclosed and this window here is ugly and this is enclosed, you truly feel like you're in a coffin. I can't ride like that. But this one I can do it. I don't know why I don't by a car. See that rain? Boom! Riding in the back like Donald J. Trump.
You back, my friend?
Yeah, man, take me home, brother. Roads take me home to the place. I just thought I would share some of my daily experiences here. Y'all think it's all fun being around beautiful Filipinas, hanging out with 2-3 ladies. My goodness, when you get 2 or more Filipinas together, all they do is talk, chismes. And you know what they've done? So, yes, ma'am. Oh, yeah, you got a pink dinosaur toothbrush. Okay. So, this is my office. Supposed to be my office, right? No, it's just a room with a table. It's not an office. But to me it is, right? This is my home office. A table, a chair. Well, I do have a printer. So I got a printer over there. And I asked Fatima, I said, hey, you got our school supplies ready to go, you know, just going to school soon. So I'm in here enjoying my peace and quiet and serenity, trying to get some tasks accomplished. Next thing you know, Fatima, Jessica, and Maria have taken over. They've taken over my my quiet zone. They've got all the school supplies all over the floor. And they just won't stop talking.
What do you want?
They won't stop talking. So I said, this is what I said to solve the problem. I said, honey, can you please, y'all just move your operation back into the living room or the kitchen or the other extra bedroom or outside, wherever. Just move your operation because I know you're not going to stop talking. Oh, no, we'll be quiet. Then she says, can you send my brother some load, little Jomar in the village, so I can call my mom? And now, being such a good foreign guy that I am, I sent the young buck some load. But I told her, I said, look, just please move your operation.
Daddy, what is it?
That's glue. That's Elmer's school glue. You can, yeah, school glue. You can glue your papers together.
Teacher.
Yeah, teacher will show you how to use that. Okay? Or Papa can show you.
I want Hannah.
Teacher Hannah?
Yes.
Okay.
Who's that?
The lady at the other place. Okay, you got me. It's my girlfriend. Now let's move forward. So, anyhow, I just suggested, Fatima, you're going to talk to your family. I'm going to hear roosters. You and Jessica are chismes about her drinking Red Horse last night. And
Oh, not last night, the other night.
I said, just kindly move your operation out of my office. No, and she said, no, ooh. And they won't be quiet. They won't vacate the office. They won't be quiet. So I just gave up. I just gave up over there trying to hack away on the laptop. I've been trying to contact this camera shop down in Manila.
You disturbed me.
Oh, I disturbed you because I asked to use your Facebook to contact this camera company. So anyhow, I've been trying to contact this camera company. Nobody answers the phone. Nobody responds to email. Nobody even responds to a message on her Facebook crap, whatever it is. So I just gave up. I just gave up. You know what? I'll just sit here and watch them try to sort these school supplies, and Maria's over there in the glue. Sweetie, we'll show you what the glue does, okay? Anyhow, folks, welcome to A Slice of My Life, the Philippine lifestyle, coming to you live from Angeles City up in the Philippines, coming to you live from my home office that's now turned into a hub of activity. Jessica, can you talk a little louder so I can pick it up on the microphone?
Ano ka, magsalita ka doon ng like, loud.
I have no idea what they're talking about. 'Cause I don't speak Tagalog. I speak a little Spanish, so every now and then you hear blah 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 trabajo. Now I know they're talking about work. And they're blah 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 zapatos blah blah blah. Oh, they're talking about some new shoes. Times like these, it would be a good time if I had a cold beer. If I was sitting here with a cold beer, I would just sit here for 2-3 hours. Just let them do what they got to do. Sip on my beer. Enjoy the flavor. But without drinking my beer, I feel like I've got to get some things accomplished. I have that drive to just get that done. They're delaying. They're in a delaying operation. Delaying my progress. And they're still chatting. It's like I'm not even in the room. Did y'all cook those peanuts or are they still on the stove?
Finish.
They're finished? Or when are you going to serve me some peanuts? See, they boiled some peanuts in there. I was such a good foreign dude. I brought home some peanuts.
Konti lang, te, konti.
But I'm not drinking and I don't even have no beer to drink while I eat my peanuts. Damn stress I'm under here.
Ano?
Almost a breast violation. I did my breast violation.
Nothing eh.
Some things are hanging.
Nothing in there.
Hey, they're doing a little sag now. Jessica, you have a hole in your pants right there.
No, yeah, we know that
There.
already. We know that already. May butas ka.
Oo,
No, she buy that when we go in the Apple. She buy that. Then she not look that we have a hole in there.
Oh no, got ripped off at the Oppo market. Oh no. Jessica, how much did you pay for those pants at Oppo market? How much? Magano?
Ano ayos yun?
50 pesos? 100?
120.
120? You had to pay 20 extra for the hole. 20 extra pesos for the hole. That's the fashion.
Basta forget lagi. No.
Maybe the appropriate posture. You got those breasts hanging out.
Wala na yan. Bag ito.
I'm not editing this.
Ito, lagyan na din ng ano. Pangalan. Loko to sila.
I have no idea what you said. Something about watering a plant.
Yeah.
What do you call that?
Basta, amin na yun. Huwag kang, ano dyan.
Yeah, basta water the plant. That's what it's called. Is any ETA, estimated time of finishing this mess?
No. Maghintay ka, kailan ka pumunta.
I might as well go to the bar. But see, what you don't know is I'm not going to the bar. I'm going to a bar and grill and getting some foods.
No.
Ganda mo pa, oh.
Haggard.
Come on now, single mom. I saw your Facebook profile. I got single mom on there.
5 na pala.
Baby, is there a reason that you decided to come in here and take over my office?
Where's pink phone?
You don't have a pink phone. Sweetie, you're not going to high school. You don't need a pink phone.
Beep.
I'm gonna bring my camera when you drink a Red Horse up there with your friend.